Hey guys, this is Firewings. In this video, I am going to unbox braun beard trimmer BT3020. It's a perfect beard trimmer and it will help easy and fast trimming. It's an adjustable one. It's 20 precision length settings. Sharp blades and with cords. Without cord 10 settings and with cord 10 settings, so total 20 precision settings. You can use it for short and medium beards and counter-rates beards and stubble. It has one cleaning brush, trimmer, charger, and one user manual and cord. It's a 3-pin plug charger and it's very small, so you can hold it anywhere. It has acceptable length and the adjustment has round and stylish shape, full black body and curved design. Ten adjustable steps and with cord 10 adjustable, so total 20 steps. Easily removable the cord. After your trimming finish, you can use the cleaning brush. It has only on and off buttons. Now it's on and adjustables. It will trim up to 0.5 mm. The user manual contains how to use. There is various languages. I like the shiny shade. This small blades gives better trimming look and you can handle it easily. Thank you.